Hello and welcome to Law in 3 Minutes or Less, where we aim to provide you with easily digestible legal knowledge in 3 minutes or less. The video you are about to watch forms part of our Uncontested Divorce series. What is an uncontested divorce? How does it work, and why should you consider uncontested divorce as a viable option? Keep watching to find out. We explained in the first video in this series that an uncontested divorce is one where parties agree on the terms of their divorce by means of a settlement agreement and thereafter approach the court to give weight to their agreement by making it an order of court. The first step in an uncontested divorce is the agreement itself. Once the parties have consensus on the terms of their divorce, those terms are reduced to writing in the form of a settlement agreement or a deed of settlement, which document is then signed by both parties. Once the parties have signed the settlement agreement, the court process ensues. Whilst the court process in uncontested divorce is mostly formal in nature, at the time of making this video, the position in South Africa is still that only a court can grant a decree of divorce. Thus, legal action cannot be sidestepped. A summons is prepared and issued at court to bring the matter before court. When the summons is issued at court, it is assigned a unique case number and a file. In the summons, one party is cited as plaintiff and the other as defendant, as in most court cases. However, the only order asked for in the summons is that a decree of divorce be granted incorporating the terms of the settlement agreement. Once the summons has been issued, it is delivered to the defendant by the sheriff of the court. A formality in most cases, but one which cannot be avoided. Once the summons has been served, the matter is prepared for hearing. This entails lodging all the documents, properly indexed and paginated, at court, having the settlement agreement considered by the family advocate in the event that there are minor children involved, and finally applying for a hearing date. On the hearing date, the plaintiff testifies in court and the court grants a decree of divorce. The decree of divorce is usually typed by the court typists and can be collected within a few weeks. Thank you for watching. If you need some more information on uncontested divorce, have a look at the remainder of the videos in this series or visit vermeulenlaw.co.za. The information contained in this video is distributed free of charge for educational purposes. Whilst we have taken all reasonable steps to ensure that the information contained herein is correct and up to date, insofar as the law in South Africa is concerned, the law remains a nuanced and complex field of study, replete with many exceptions and conditions. Please, therefore, do not utilize this information as legal advice, which it is not. When in doubt, consult with a legal professional. For more information, please feel free to contact our offices.